Hey, this is Joe. Thanks for coming back for another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take any of your popular power tool batteries and make a LED light bulb holder so you can use it as either a camping light or a shop light or something like that. Found several people out on YouTube that are doing this, but they've only done it for a particular brand of battery packs. For example, Benjamin Nelson out on YouTube, with the help of Chris Taylor, 3D printed a battery holder for the Ryobi battery. You can stick that in, and I hope it doesn't brighten it up too much, but you can then create a light bulb holder for the Ryobi battery. Now, what I've done is I've taken this a little bit further. I've gone out and I've located various battery adapters for your popular power tool line like Milwaukee, Dewalt, Makita, Rigid, etc. And I'll be putting some links in the description, and you can go out to Temu and pick up these battery adapters for really cheap, like $6 to $8. So what I've done here is, this is the Harbor Freight USB battery adapter. What I did, this runs about $8 or so on Harbor Freight. What I did was I just have taken a regular light bulb screw. I took on a belt sander and ground down the brass contacts here and just soldered some wire and ran it back over to the posts, the positive and negative posts on the battery adapter itself. So then what you can do is you can take this adapter, you can plug that in, and as you see here, we now have a light. So what I'll do is, in the description, as I said, I will put the various battery adapters that you can purchase on Temu, or I've even seen them on Amazon as well. So what you can do, you can take the battery adapter, pick yourself up. I believe these light bulb plugs run right around $2, something like that. All you have to do is open up the adapter. In most cases they are opened on the other side. You can solder one lead to the positive, one lead to the negative, and in most cases, or in fact in all cases, the bottom terminal is the positive lead, and the side where the light bulb threads screw in is the negative side. So all you have to do then is to take your wires, solder them onto the terminals of the light bulb socket. And then if you want, you can hot glue that to the battery adapter. And then again, it's just a simple matter of screwing that bulb in, plugging it in, and now you have a portable light that you can use. On the Ryobi adapter, Chris Taylor provides the 3D printed STL file. So if you have a 3D printer, you can print your own out. If you don't have a 3D printer, Benjamin Nelson sells them on his website. I believe they're like $10. And what you need to get is some 4mm thick. This is 8mm thick. I just basically took a pair of scissors and cut this in half. And the 3D printed model here has some slots printed in, so you can actually run the nickel strip to create the negative terminal and the positive terminal. And then there's little battery bumps here. You can route the nickel strip through the sides of the 3D printed adapter here, and it's all built in. Basically all you have to do is take the nickel strip, feed it through for the positive, feed it through for the negative, and then when you screw the bulb in, and plug the bulb into the adapter, you then have continuity to run your light bulb. Benjamin Nelson just provides 3D printing files, the STL files, to print out for the Ryobi, and using my idea of taking the battery adapter that you can purchase rather inexpensively from either Amazon or Temu. Get yourself a small light bulb adapter and solder some wires and connect them to your battery terminals on the battery adapter here. And you can make this for pretty much any of the popular power tool batteries that are available at your big box hardware stores like Dewalt, Milwaukee, Makita, Rigid, and there's even an adapter if you don't have a 3D printer for this. You can even buy the adapter that fits on top of the battery with 2 wires, so you can then even wire in your own light bulb socket and make your own if you don't have a 3D printer. I'll put a link in the description on the type of bulb that you want to buy. You do not want to buy the 120 volt LED bulbs. You want to buy the 12 volt to 36 volt bulbs. They're actually rather expensive. I picked up 2 bulbs for like right around $11. Again, you want the DC 12 to 36 volt bulbs. You do not want the 120 volt bulbs. I'll put a link in the description, and that way when you purchase the bulbs, or you want to purchase the bulbs, you can purchase the correct bulb. So hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time.